how it's going. Frank? Yeah, what is it? Frank, where are you? I'm busy right now. What are you doing, Frank? Sun's out, buns out, baby. Oh, what? Where am I going with what? This? I brought this from home. As you can see, profits are up 33% here at VOMac. And I think if we could just get some more boots on the ground, we could uncover some opportunities for disruption with big data and cloud-based AI. Welcome back to Gardening Today. My biggest tip is make sure that your holes are big enough for the roots to set and that you have a great day. Oh! Give him a kiss. Give banana kiss. Yeah, do it again. Give him big kisses. Aww. Bliss splash, I was taking a bath right inside my doggy bowl. Boo-da-da-boo-da-boo-da, rub-a-dub. I'm happy and you always say meow. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know I say meow. Take my picture. Take my picture. I look so cute. Daisy likes watermelon. Guys, push it, push it, Casey, push. What you really want? Okay, guys, I know every mom is gonna say that their baby is the cutest baby in the entire world, but I actually have the cutest baby in the entire world. Yeah, and I just feel like everybody on TikTok needs to see her. You do not have my permission. Okay, this is my baby. Yes. What? Yes. Whatever you just said, yes. Yep, I'm there. Yeah. Yes, lady, I do want to go for a walk. Does it not look like it? Here we go. Do I do it? So, listen, I found that one. Oh, he did. The diner moved in. It's a problem. Oh, you got a goodbye. I'm afraid somebody's going to get hurt. Holy cow. You're going to get hurt, Joey. I love you. I love you. I am Vecna, and the upside down is my round. Oh gosh. Are you filming me? I told you not to film me when I'm playing Stranger Things. Oh, good boy. These kids, I tell you, they got no respect. Just walking outside my house like they own the place. Get off my lawn. Oh no, she sees up in the mirror. You're never gonna catch them all, Jasper. The legs on the camel go fast and fast, fast and fast, fast and fast. The legs on the camel go fast and fast. You are doggy's best friend. Oh, okay. I think you misunderstood when I asked for a Reiki massage. This is not, actually it feels pretty good. Maybe get my tummy. Oh yeah, that's nice. Welcome back to Gardening with Gus. I am your wonderful host, Gus, and I'm here to teach you how to garden. First step to gardening, be Gus. Knock and punch. Okay. Thank you. Okay. 2. Oh, get your nails in it. More, please. More right now. More. Okay, more. This isn't gonna stop. I hope you know that. I love you so much. Oh, I can't keep my wings. Oh, your husband is, oh, hi, honey. Oh, I see you seeing me. I see you seeing me, but you ain't talking to nobody, you hear me? You ain't gonna rat me out to nobody. You ain't gonna rat me out to nobody, you hear? Not even a mouse. You got it? Now get out of here. You done? Yeah. Oh God, not this. Hi there. How are you? Do you have a moment to talk about the Church of Labrador Saints? Get off my lawn. Hey, okay, geez Louise, crackers and cheese. Why, Zowie? No more White Claws for you. You said you were gonna have one more and then you had 5. I'm doing this for your own good, Houston. You'll thank me later. Zowie, not Zowie. I'm thinking. Stop. Oh, stop. Would you stop? You're getting too close. Let me smell you. Let me smell you. You smell dirty shit. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Give me the tree. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. All right, you want to see this? Okay, here we go. Last track. You are fierce. You are strong. You are beautiful. You're a freaking borzoi and sea of pugs. Now get out there and mark your territory. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is the spot right there. Did I say that you could stop? Oh wow, look at the big boy host. I'm gonna take a drink. Oh, ow, Zapata slapped me in the frickin' face. Ow, what the heck, holes? Rub your shoulder. Come on, I should not have had the extra cable. I think you stuck halfway up. Me, 20. I'm not afraid of anything, dudes. Look, I'm drinking from the geyser. Let's go. And this is what the cats tend to do. He didn't even touch you. Chill out. He's not touching you. He's not touching you. What are you doing? If we get it just right, we can cover the bald spots. Yeah, you just gotta move a few strands over here. It's nothing too embarrassing. I got you, buddy. What are you doing? You know that's not the right way to drink the water, right? Good. Stand up. Get me hold hands. Coke guys, are you kidding me? What are you doing in there? Get out. Get out. Oh my God. Cage is done. Now time to destroy it. See? Boy, breaking it up and dropping it in there. No, look. What time is it? Is it 3 a.m.? Oh, I'm so thirsty. We went pretty hard last night. I think I'm still feeling it. And so, what you got in? You're a good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, who's that one? 7? No. Yeah. No. No.